Good morning, my dear students. Look these two sentences. She does her work actively. You does your work actively. Is something wrong in the second one? Why the first sentence with does is correct while the other one with does is wrong? Let's understand this with our today's topic, that is subject verb agreement. This shows that the verb should be implied with the subject in number, singular or plural. Subject verb agreement. In this topic, we will learn which verb will agree with the given subject. In this topic, we have some rules. Let's study all the rules one by one. First rule, that is the foremost important, that is subjects and verbs must agree in number. That means if subject is singular, verb should be singular. And if subject is plural, verb should be plural. Take the example, child is playing and children are playing. Child is singular, so verb is singular. Children are playing, plural, so verb are also plural. Let's move to the second rule, that is don't get confused by the words that come between the subject and verb. The detective, that is the main subject, and verb is going to be implied according to subject. Don't get confused with who was called to the case, that is adjective clause. So use your verb according to subject. Third rule is if the subject consists of two or more singular nouns or pronouns joined with and, then it takes a plural verb. See the examples. Rekha and Madhu are sisters. He and I were cycling together. Rekha and Madhu both are nouns and plural because they are more than one. So verb is also plural. He and I are pronouns and we are using plural verb. Our next rule is if two subjects are regarded as one, means if they are giving you one idea, one thought is coming in your mind, then the verb will be singular. Bread and butter is ideal for breakfast. Time and tide waits for none, or horse and carriage is waiting outside. Let's move to fifth rule, that is when the subject consists of two nouns or pronouns joined together with or as well as. With or as well as, the verb agrees with the first of them, means with the first subject. Example, the captain with all the players is, because verb is going to be get used according to the first subject, present in the ground. All the players as well as the captain are is implied according to all the players, which is plural in number. Our next rule is each of, either of, neither of, everyone of, one of. If these words have been given, use always singular verb. Don't look at the subject. Subject will be plural, but we will use singular verb according to either of, neither of, each of, everyone of, or one of. Like each of these sisters sings well. Sings is singular verb according to each of. Don't look at the sisters. Our next rule is when two subjects are connected with either or neither nor, the verb agrees with the later subject. Means the second subject we have to see here. Either the manager or the employees were telling a lie. Were, because employees are plural in number and that is a second subject. later subject. Neither the stars nor the sun. Sun is singular, so we are using is here. Here in fifth rule, we studied if we are joining it with or as well as, then go for first subject. But in seventh, if either or neither nor is given, then go for second one. And the next rule is much and a little. If two words, much or a little, is given, then go for singular verb. For example, much has already been said. Much, then verb is singular. Only a little of the work, a little, verb is singular. If many, a few, several, both, these type of words have been given, then go for plural verb. A few of these houses are plural. Both of the guests have, plural verb. Final rule, and the foremost important, that is, remember, only the subject affects the verb. The verb will be implied according to subject only. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead, my students.